Suppose you use a blended cement, it will give you strength later dates. That is, after 1 month to 2 years you will get strength. But it will not be able to help you in giving you the early strength. You have to compromise on the speed of the construction. Alternatively, if you use a high grade cement, then it will help you in the construction, but it will not give you the strength at later stages, impacting the durability. Now, this was the biggest paradox for the construction industry, how to address this. And the slag, I don't know, somebody who's coming with a slag, but slag quality was not good in India overall. It's rated so. So fly ash based were recommended, but it was not giving the, then IS 456 was also a taboo. It was hindering the usage of blended cements because curing time was recommended more than 25 days for blended cements. High grade cement it was kept 11 days and 12 days. Fortunately, 2008 IS 456 was modified, and the curing time for 53 grade cement or 43 grade cement or a PPC based cement, it is made uniform. Now all the cements have got 12 to 13 days of curing, be it a blended cement or be it a 53 grade cement. Now the point is, I have to talk something marketing here. We have come out with a solution. We have tested at Bharati plant, we have tested enormous number of cement samples across the country. We have taken from north, we have taken from west, we have taken from east, then we have tested. Then we have come to 10 brands which stand at the top slot of quality. Then the management took a decision. If we want to win in the market, it is only trying to be at number one in the quality. We have spent money, we have inducted a lot of science, we have recruited the best people in the market to help the quality. With a good team, with a good production technology, with a good raw material resources, we could achieve what we have achieved. Now the point I want to tell you is, Bharati blended cement is the only cement which can give you early strength equivalent to a 53 grade cement and a strength up to 2 years equivalent to a good blended cement. Now with this kind of quality, we have been able to be phenomenal success we have witnessed, and only challenging on quality we have been able to do that. Now you must have seen 3 times better. Generally, for any product we are not involved. When somebody says 3 times better, they might write in advertisement, so it should be a general casual thing. 3 times better is a very serious thing. It is like liver, lungs and heart for us. 3 important organs of a human body. Bharati blend also got these 3 important elements. One is robotechnology. Robotechnology, I won't explain to you. It was an investment of nearly close to 40 crores. A human being can have, for example, normal consistency in a sample. If it is one way, this way, that way also, it can tamper the strengths or the values. So, robotechnology is done by a robo where it will not even do 1/1,000,000th of an error when judging the quality of the brand. Now that robotechnology is the only company in the country which is using robotechnology is Bharati Cement.